taking a peek at the key fob for the new Hyundai Santa Fe. So it's got the same styling that you're going to find in a number of other Hyundai vehicles. But you've got the lock button, unlock button, remote start, horn or panic alarm, and then there's also the trunk release. Some versions of the Santa Fe also do have the remote smart parking assistant, but if you want to walk through and how that works, you'll find it down in the description of the video if it's available. Some things that you can do with the fob though. So remote start, you just push the lock button, push and hold that circle button. See there, we're remote started. You didn't hear anything because this is the hybrid, but if we hop inside, see there, currently started up. And then in order to cancel the remote start, press that circle button again once and remote start's canceled. There are a few key fob tricks that you can use inside this ride though. One of them is the rear trunk assist or the smart liftgate feature. So in order to use it, have to make sure that you're locked and then get about 10 to 15 feet away for about 10 to 15 seconds or so. And then walking up towards the back end, watch this. See there? Up it goes. Now you do have the flexibility of being able to cancel the remote start if you or to cancel that feature if you wanted to. You can use the key fob to close. You can also push and hold there in order to close it instead. Really straightforward. And there's also the option of using the key fob to roll the windows down. So all you're going to do, push and hold the unlock button. Down it goes. You can release deposit part way or push and hold again. Down they go. Driver passenger side for the first row only. Unfortunately, the power up feature doesn't work. That's one thing I'd like to see. Remote window down is nice, but remote window back up would also be equally as useful. But at least this way, if grandma's had a bunch of prune juice, you can at least air the vehicle out a little bit. But in order to set the features up, what you're going to do, start yourself up and just have to make sure so you can firm through. Won't be able to do anything just yet. There we go. Once you get to that screen, you're going to hit the setup button. You can also swipe across and then you're going for vehicle, door, and then you've got a few different options. So you can open or you can turn off the power liftgate if you want to, but it's the smart liftgate. That's the one that's going to automatically open up the liftgate as you walk to the back end. And then the remote window control is going to let you use the unlock button in order to roll the first row windows down. And just manual, do it back up again. But that's how you use the key fob tricks inside of the Hyundai Santa Fe.